Do you intend to sell your car? Well, there's some key things you should consider when you're selling your car as far as cleaning it up, getting it detailed. So one of the things you want to do is have the engine clean, detailed. So if it's not just a complete wasteland, no leaks and stuff like that, and it's just dusty, just spray it off and make it look nice so it'll present well. And then on the outside, just want to wash it, clean it up, and make sure it looks good. Tires are clean, wheels are clean, the paint is clean, the jams are clean. You want to make sure all that stuff is clean, so when someone's looking at it, it'll look well kept. And then on the interior, you just want to make sure the interior is good. If you kept the car up very good, kept it vacuumed, kept the seats in good condition, you just want to make sure that they don't have a lot of little sting like that in there. Just make sure the floor is vacuumed. Make sure the vents are clean. You want to make sure the pockets are clean. You don't have all the crud and stuff built up in the car. And then in the center console, you want to make sure you don't have buildup there. So you just want to make sure everything looks good, even though you may have scratches and wear, but you just want to make sure it's clean, depending on the age of the car. But if you got a car that's been trashed, the kids done had their way with it, just get it detailed to the level to where all that stuff is not so pronounced and prevalent, because that's going to make it appear as though the car is not well kept, so you didn't take care of it. So same with the engine. If the engine looks good, that's going to show well. And so just make sure it looks good, the tires are clean. You can polish it out if the paint is dull, if the paint still has a good little shine on it. Okay, wow, it's not adjusting, not focusing. Focus. But anyway, so you just want to make sure it looks good and the engine is clean and the paint looks good and it's got a nice shine to it, nice sheen to it. So that's gonna get the appeal real quick to the buyer and garner you potentially a good price.